Okay, this is my part, and here we have this strategy. Okay, so I'm going to delete this. It is not okay. So here in NC programming, we have one option here, NC program. Okay, and here NC program panel we have, and here we have to select active NC program, and here machine tool and coordinate system. Okay, here we have the options. So first of all, I'm going to define this option, the preferences. So first I'm going to set the preferences. In NC preferences, first I'm going to define output. Okay, so output folder is my on the desktop. So click to define, this is my output folder. Okay, and output file, name the file like CNC C1.0. okay, and machine output, it is the processor, host processor, and by default it is coming because I have already selected one, that's why. Otherwise we have to browse. So click over here on the browse, and from C in user, in public documents, go to Autodesk, and 2020 this post processor generic, and here we have all the post processor which are available, okay, in this PowerMill 2020. Or we can copy paste, if we have any other post processor, just copy and paste here and this folder, so it will come. Okay, I'm clicking here Fanuc and Mitsubishi, we have just open. Now Fanuc is there, just click accept. Okay, see the Fanuc is here. Machine tool, if you have added any machine tool, so, and output work plane is my one is my working active work plane, so I'm selecting this. Model location is also on the first work plane, and part name, what is the part name? Part name is part 1.0. okay, and connection coordinate override tool automatic alignment, automatic tool alignment is on, it will automatically align the tool. Now click it. okay, now go to home, and I want to create the program of this tool path, this is strategy. So click and create individual NC program. So see, one program is added here, and you can see it is available now. Okay, and machine tool we haven't added, work plane and rest of the things are here. You can create a duplicate if you want to delete it. Okay, and if you want to simulate, just click here, so directly we can come over this simulation toolbar. Okay, and here we have verification. Okay, so click here, and I want to verify this. So verify, this is second. Okay, and this is machine tool we haven't added, and click here to verify. Let's see, collision with the shank found to the depth of 19. Okay, so it will show you if there is any mistake, is there any suggestion. So you will find the suggestion, this depth is 19, so minimum tool cutter length is 79 toward the shank. Okay, so we have to increase the cutter length. Okay, so okay, just close it, and I'm going to change it. Here we have this, right click and go to setting. Here in holder, I'm going to change it to, sorry, the slant, and overhang to 97. Okay, so you change it to 100 and close, and let's clear it and do it one more time. Now verified. Okay, it is still, it is colliding, so wait. So I'm going to create a new tool. So here we have copy tool, and I'm going to edit this tool, and I'm going to increase this more than 79, so now it is 82 is the length, and I'm going to use in this second strategy, in second toolpath, I'm going to use this. Okay, and added it, and under this tool we have this new tool. Okay, now calculate. and OK, close. Now I want to check, so machine is not here, and go to this verify, and again verify with the current tool. Okay, now it is saved, and see here we get a blue tick. Okay, so this means safety status. It will show you the safety, and the output file, and the this post processor, and you can write this file from here, or we have from here, right? So it will create NC program. Okay, the NC program is now created. Close and click here. If you want to see, just click over it. It will show you. Okay, this is the color. Okay, and again I'm clicking here, and rest of the things are here. Verify simulation, you can switch on off from here as well. Okay, and open, or I want to say this with the notepad, and see here is the part name, program number, and rest of the things are here. You can see the total program is here. Okay, you can see. Okay, close. So if you want to open it, so it will open, or view, we can view. So here is the information window. If you will click this view, so you can only view this file, and with open you can edit this file as well. Okay, and here we have one more option like this. Right click here and view file, you can see from here. Okay, and write, we can write it here. See, it is already right. You want to overwrite it, click over the settings. Here you will get the settings, same setting, and some preferences we have already set. So name of this program is 2, because the toolpath strategy name is 2, and the output where you want to keep this file. Machine tool, we don't have any machine tool. Model, location, 1 is the working plane, and the part name what we have set. Program number, tool alignment, and this is the toolpath. Okay, and tool change, on new tool, or tool will change automatically. Okay, and the numbering, as we have specified the tool numbering, it will come here, or we can automatically or sequential we can set. Okay, so this is all the things you can write from here. Okay, again it will write from here. Just click here, and here some options are there, like if you want to on off the coolant, so standard coolant is there. Now apply or accept. So this is the all about how to create CNC program with the help of this PowerMill.